Thank you for joining us for this quick tutorial on how to heat press cotton and tri-blend fabrics. Firstly, place your transfer. Our pre-cut transfers allow for consistency, perfection, and speed with every placement. Next, all you need to do is press your fabric for 8 seconds at 285 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. But there's no need to wait. Our transfers are hot peel, so go ahead and pull them off and press once more in order to increase hand feel and longevity of the transfer. Once that is complete, you're done. Alternatively, our pre-cut transfers allow for more intricate placement on your material. Simply align it to meet your needs. Then rest assured that every placement of your transfer will be the same each and every time. We want to thank you for watching this tutorial on how to heat press cotton and tri-blend fabrics.